Hello my dear students, welcome back to mathematics class, and in this video we are going to discuss about addition and we will take the concept problem solving. Okay, let's understand what is this problem solving and what are the steps to find out the answer for problem solving. So, children, remember there are some steps to find out the answer for problem solving. So, here we have those steps. One by one, we will see. So, first, read. So, whenever they will give a question, right? Problem solving question. So, you have to read that question carefully. Reading the question is the first step. So you have to read the given question carefully, and then you have to find out the information, data, what they given in that problem. You have to find out. So in the third step, we have decide. What we have to decide? It's very simple. After reading, after finding the information, then you have to decide what we have to do. Like, are we going to add? Are we going to subtract? Are we going to multiply? So in this way, you have to decide what to do. And afterwards, we have next step, that is solve. So when you finished when you finished taking decision, then you have to move for solve. So how to solve? For example, if you want to add, if you want to subtract, then you have to write the numbers in a order, then you have to subtract, then you have to add, you will get the answer. This is what we call it as a solve step. And the last step is check. So after solving the problem, you have to check your answer. Is it right or wrong? You have to find out. You have to check it. So let's take one example. Here we have an example. Yes, Aditi is learning sign language in a special school. She learned 78 signs in the first 2 months. She learned 112 signs in the next 3 months. How many signs did she learn in all? This is the question, right? So how to find out the answer for this? It's very simple, children. First, you have to follow the steps. What are those steps? First, read, then find, then decide, then solve, then check. So, first, you have to read the question carefully. Then, you have to find. So, in this problem, if you see, we will get a information that she learned 78 signs in the first 2 months. She learned 112 signs in the next 3 months, right? So these are the information what they given. So you have to write it like this. In first 2 months, Aditi learned 78 signs. In the next 3 months, she learned 112 signs, right? So then if you want to find out the total signs, means in this question they ask how many signs did she learn in all. So if you want to find out the total number of signs she learned, then you have to add the both signs like 78 and 112. So 78 plus 112, if you add, right, 8 plus 2, it will be 10. So 10 you have to regroup like 1 as a carryover and 0 in one's place. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, and 1 as it is. It means, children, the sum of 78 signs and 112 signs, that is equal to 190. It means what? So Aditi learned 190 signs in all. This is the way to find out the answer. Hope you understood these steps. and remember, whenever you are solving the problem solving like that type of problems, that type of examples, you have to follow the steps. Once again, I want to repeat the steps. First, read the question, then find out the information, then decide what we have to do, then solve like this, then you will get an answer and you have to check it. This is very simple, children. Hope you understood. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. You can ask your any doubts, any questions. Thank you, children.